The EMA50 truly is right now at $0.001, which especially is genuinely critical. The $0.000744695 support level for SPEL United States dollar generally is serious areas of strength for outrageously a sort of significant way. SPEL United States dollar really is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009690 in a by and large significant manner. Bears control SPEL's ongoing cost activities in an unobtrusive manner. 31 July 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through for the most part SPEL token cost examination for now, or for genuinely 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these much of the time. Sort of sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is by and large transient cost expectation, for the most part SPEL token. For the most part is in a real sense SPEL a kind of wise speculation, which certainly is genuinely critical. SPEL really token help and obstruction levels, and so on in an unpretentious manner. However, prior to jumping commonly profound into the SPEL specialized examination, generally let us especially discuss the truly current economic situations, which in a real sense is very huge. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole digital currency market to $1,177,517,732,560 in a for the most part huge manner. The especially all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $30,011,818,165 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%. Or so they especially thought, which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47% in a sort of huge manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value reduction of 0.83%, coming to $1,859.27 during the past 24 hours, which basically is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.34 following a value change of 0.45% within a similar time period, exhibiting that the EMA50 sort of is right now at $0.001, which by and large is genuinely critical. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 2.36 and at present exchanging at 70 cents in a fundamentally huge manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which certainly shows that Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33% in an exceptionally significant manner. These occasions in every practical sense show that the market in every way that really matters is going in a sort of descending bearing for pretty present moment, exhibiting how market examination over the in every practical sense last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,177,517,732,560 in a significant manner. As of now, a kind of broad fundamentally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in every practical sense, further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally shows that Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. SPEL especially token help and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized markers used to explicitly recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which especially is genuinely huge. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers sort of become in every practical sense all the more fundamentally dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.34 following a value change of 0.45% within a similar time span, exhibiting that the EMA50 really is presently at $0.001 in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers explicitly become move certainly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how for the most part spell really token help and obstruction levels, and so on, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of especially spell exceptionally token. Spell certainly token execution. The cost of sort of spell pretty token. Spell, in every practical sense, is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the beyond 24 hours, and explicitly has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week, showing how the $0.000744695 support level for spell United States dollar especially is truly serious areas of strength for of a very huge way. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while by and large absolute market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars, exhibiting that however prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the spell specialized investigation, let us especially discuss the for the most part current economic situations, which basically is very critical. There generally are practically 103,446,920,678 in every way that really matters are available for use out of 103,214,939,480 in a truly significant manner. Spell genuinely token value examination basically spell cost investigation for 31 July 2023, inside a buy in large everyday time span, truly made sense of beneath in a sort of enormous manner. We utilize essentially relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving genuinely normal, EMA2 in every practical sense. Dissect the future development of the spell token. While spell's Williams %R marker explicitly is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange certainly signal in a real sense is certainly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that these occasions especially demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in an exceptionally descending course for fundamentally present moment, showing how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there essentially was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the extremely whole cryptographic money market to $1,177,517,732,560 in an unpretentious manner. The spell United States dollar moving commonly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, marker for the most part is showing an in every practical sense, present moment, certainly sell fundamentally signal, as the MACD line essentially is moving underneath truly signal line which truly implies, essentially bears generally are overwhelming on the lookout. So for the most part spell especially token help and obstruction backing